I'm at the Glenrothes men's shed for the network meeting, and it's a great place. And here we have Mike, who's going to talk us through what's going on here. Tell me about this outside lovely mural and stuff.
Yeah, this mural was done by the high school kids from the art class, and they designed it as well, and they came up and did it. They did the whole thing in a day. They put a 12-hour shift in, which shows that kids can actually work these days, and really, they were amazing.
So you also tell me what's going to happen here with the polytunnel when we...
That are doing a grow, a community, are actually going to put a polytunnel in here, and it's going to be for community use, not just the men's shed. So we're working with other parts of the community, which is quite good. The important bits, the toilets. But this is our main shed.
So show me around all the little rooms that you've got coming off here as well, if you will.
This is the room that we've got the heavy machinery in that makes a lot of noise. So we're trying to keep it quiet. With the dustbins extraction. And this is the main room at the moment. Things are changing all the time. We've got things set out, but it's not going to be permanent. It'll move as we need to move it.
So tell me about this wood down here. What's going on with that?
This is for building benches.
Benches?
We've got old tables that we got off councils and things like this that were left here, but really you can't work on them because they're shield. So you really need them sort of a bit more firm. This is what you call firm.
So you're making your own benches?
We're making our own benches.
Fantastic.
What the main shed's about is making your own things. So. And we picked up some shelving yesterday. And that's an old school bench that somebody had in their garage one day. And a lot of the tools have been donated as well. So. The room down here, that's at the moment it's got computers in it, and it's a little IT. And we've got the guys that are really top of their game in IT, and they're going to be sorting things out, and they want to pass on some of their skills to other people. So, and it's not just computers; it's electronics as well. They want to do the electronics and how to fix things. There's one of the guys do cameras and that, and he buys cameras that are broken on the internet and fixes them. So he does the electronics, but he wants to pass some of these skills on. And it's sort of different. This room here, that's we use it in the play cribbage and dominoes and things. I'll read a book in here.
Okay.
And this is our treasurer's office. He says it's his because he's basically banned us from using it. So. And the next room's the kitchen, which hopefully is going to change shortly. When we're building an extension outside, we're going to have a hatch here out into the extension. That'll be the seating area where people can sit and have their cup of tea and enjoy themselves and just have a blather, really, you know, which is what we're all good at. That's the scouts in. Well, we're refurbishing. This is our storage. It's a container that we bought.
And so in this section here, you're going to have the polytunnel running up here.
The polytunnel is going to be down here, and it will come all the length of the building, basically.
And the addition is going to, in this little alcove, but...
Yeah. And that's where it's going to be the seating area for having a cup of tea and the blather. So.
Okay. And how long do you think that's going to take? And the polytunnel and everything, what's the time frame?
Polytunnel's meant to be in the next couple of months. and this is supposed to be probably, hopefully this year we'll get started to it. If not, it'll be the start of next year. It's just planning permission for it. We've got the money to do it. So. I'm Mike Mowat and I'm the chair of the Glenrothes Men's Shed, and it's been an enjoyable 2 years, a bit frustrating at times, but it's been enjoyable.